After this video, all of you should know how to delete Google account. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As we go through, just follow the highlighted path. First, we have to scroll down to Google Play Store. Then tap Play Store. When you come here, tap the highlighted path above. When you come here, tap Google account. When you come here, scroll down to data and privacy. Then tap data and privacy. When you come here, you have to scroll down until you find delete your Google account. Then tap it. When you come here, you have to scroll down until you find it two boxes. You have to mark these two boxes and tap delete account. Finally, you are done. So please, if you find this video helpful, do subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. Thank you and stay blessed.